So today is Sunday. I decided to cook my spaghetti. I don't want us to eat rice today, so we have eaten rice too much. So today we are preparing our delicacy spaghetti. So follow us to see how to prepare it. How I prepare mine, because this is cooking, so your own mode of cooking might not be the same way I cook. So just watch out to see how I prepare my own. Let's start. So I'll add my onions, then I've added some of my spices. So when you are cooking your chicken, make sure that you put enough spices on your chicken. So I'll add my salt. I'll add my Maggi. I did not put water, so let's slice this one. Let's slice it. So I will start by boiling my spaghetti. So I've pieced it, so I will start by boiling it. Okay, as the both are boiling, we'll have to go and slice the other ingredients. So I've sliced them. So I'm waiting for the meat. They're okay, so that we can fry the meat before we start cooking our spaghetti. Stay tuned. So I want to fry my I'm frying my chicken now. So I'm using the pot to fry the chicken, so that after frying the chicken, I'll use the ground oil to prepare my spaghetti. I've started preparing my spaghetti. I've added some of my ingredients. So we are preparing our spaghetti. So guys, follow us. So I added all the sliced ingredients: carrots, pepper, tomato, tatashi, crayfish, onion. So I added tin tomato small, so that the color will come out fine. So I just added my the water that come out of my chicken when I was boiling my chicken. So that is called sauce. So that sauce is what I added that bring out this water you are seeing. So I will now add my spaghetti. Okay. So I will now see boiling. So I just added my spaghetti. I'll turn it very, very well. Turn it. Continue turning. Can't get the Nigeria. I can't do obodo oyibo. No say no obodo oyibo people full Facebook. So Chinwa na-eme nke ndị Nigeria. So I will now allow it to cook small. Already all the ingredients is already there. I'll allow it to cook. So we just added our chicken now. So I'm gonna cover it. So my spaghetti is ready. Come, let's enjoy. Whew, very delicious. 3D.